Assalamualaikum friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create a box like this in SolidWorks by using sheet metal commands. So keep watching this video till end. So let's start. Draw a sketch on front plane. Now select corner rectangle and start it from the origin. Define it 1 meter and 600 millimeters. Now in the sheet metal tab, select base flange command and extrude it up to 0.4 millimeters and keep the rest of the things as they are. Press OK button. Now click on edge flange command and select all these lines one by one and carefully select the line on back side of the part. Extrude it on this direction. Now scroll down from here. If you zoom in and see this distance which is mentioned here, and this is the bent radius, here is the bent degree, and here is the extrusion distance, and we need to keep this extrusion distance 400 millimeters. So press OK button. Again select edge flange command. For this time we need to select these edges one by one. And extrude them on this direction. $30 millimeters is the distance, and press OK button. Now box is ready, so save it. Now create a door. So go to new part and sketch on front plane. Select corner rectangle and draw it from origin. Define it 1 meter and 600 millimeters. Select base flange tab from sheet metal tab and press OK button. Now use edge flange. Select all the corner lines one by one. Scroll down and extrusion distance should be 20 millimeters. Press OK button. Now once again select edge flange and select all these corner lines one by one again. on this direction. Scroll down and type the extrusion distance or length 30 mm. Press OK button. Now door is ready, so save it. Door. Now create a shelf. So for that, create new part. Sketch on front plane and draw a corner rectangle from origin. Define it 599.20 and 399.60. Now again in the sheet metal, select base flange tab and press OK button. Now select edge flange . And extrude it up to 30 mm. Press OK button. Now you can save it. Now another new part for hinge. Sketch on front plane and draw a rectangle from origin. Define it 30 mm and 70 mm. In the features tab, select extruded boss base command and extrude it up to 2 mm. Press OK button. Now sketch on this face. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 key and select the perimeter circle. Draw it from this corner. Now select this point from here and draw or place it on this quadrant of the circle. Press escape button and then press and hold Ctrl key. Select this corner and then this point. Make relation vertical. Now define it 3 mm. Now draw a circle inside this circle and define it 1.5 mm. Zoom in and draw a line. Start it from this corner to this line. Now select trim entities command and trim the two lines and circle. Now define this length for the line, which is 1 mm, so press OK button. In the features tab, select extruded boss command and extrude it up to 10 mm on reverse direction. Press OK button. Now select this boss extrude to and click on linear pattern. First of all, it will ask you about the direction 1, so select this line as first direction. Then it will ask you about the distance between the instances, which is 30 mm on the reverse direction, and the quantity is 3. Press OK button. So it was the first part of hinge. Now create another new part for the second part of hinge, but before that you have to save this hinge part 1. So save it, hinge A. Now click on this arrow and select the sketch, then edit it, select all the sketch and copy it. Now create a new part. So on the front plane create a sketch. Now paste that sketch of hinge A, select this corner and then the origin, make relation coincident. Now it is fully defined, so extrude it up to 2 millimeters. Press OK button. Now click on reference geometry and select plane. Select this face as first reference and flip offset. The distance is 10 millimeters. Press OK button. Now open the hinge part A. This time I want to copy the sketch for this part. For that, click on this arrow and click on the sketch, then edit it, select all the sketch and copy it. Save and exit from sketch. Open the hinge part B and sketch on this new plane. Make normal to and paste the sketch. Now select this point and the corner and make relation coincident. Another step is to select this line and then this line, make relation collinear. Now our sketch is fully defined. So in the features tab, select extruded boss base command and extrude it up to 10 millimeters and on the reverse direction. Press OK button. Now zoom in and hide this plane. Now click on boss extrude 2 and then select linear pattern, the direction 1, select this line, quantity which is 2 and the distance should be 25 millimeters on the reverse direction. Instead of 25 millimeters, this time we need to add 40 millimeters distance. Press OK button. Now we need to create a pin for these holes. So first of all, save this hinge as hinge part B, hinge B. Now new part, sketch on front plane and draw a circle, define it 1.5 millimeter and extrude it 70 millimeters. Now save it, pin. Now create a new assembly and import all these parts in the assembly one by one. Select all the parts and drop them. drag it. As you can, it can't be moved, so it means it is fixed. Right click on it and select float. Now move it. Again right click on it and fix it. Now drag the shelf. Click on this face and select mate. Now click on this face. Press OK button. Now click on this face and on this face. Press OK button. Now I want to set it in the middle of this box. For that, scroll down from here. Click on Advanced Mate, and from here select Width. Now click on this face and on this face. Now on this face and on this face. Press OK button. Now assemble hinge. So press OK button and drag the door. Zoom in. Now click on this cylindrical face of this pin and select mate. Now click on the cylindrical bore of this hole and do not lock rotation. Press OK button. Now click on this face and on this face of pin. Press OK button. Again click on the cylindrical face of this hole and then the cylindrical face of pin. Do not lock rotation. Press OK button. Now drag the hinge part A and make some distance between both of these parts. After that, press OK button and from here select rotate. Now press OK button. Now click on this face and select mate and then select this face. Hinge is OK and press OK button. Select this face and this face. Press OK button. Now select this face and this face. Reverse the direction. Press OK button. Now click on this face and this face of hinge. Make some distance, 200 millimeter. Press OK button. Now press OK button again. Now click on linear component pattern command and the direction 1, click on this line. quantity is 3 and the distance should be 200 millimeter. We don't need direction 2, and then click on this box components to pattern. Now zoom in and select all parts of hinge one by one. The pin and hinge part A. From here increase the distance to 150 millimeters. Now press OK button. Now it's time to assemble the door with the hinge. So for that, click on this face of hinge and select mate. Now click on this face. Click on reverse direction to flip map alignment and press OK button. Now click on this face of hinge and then on this face of door. Press OK button. Now click on this face of box and then on this face of door, press OK button. Again press OK button and check whether the door is assembled perfectly or not. So it is assembled now, but there is a problem, it can't stop on this position. To lock the rotation for the door, now to stop the rotation for the door, again click on mate and then scroll down in advanced mate. Click on angle, select this face and this face. Maximum angle should be 90 degree and minimum angle should be 0 degree. Press OK button. Again press OK button. Now check. So it can't move from 90 degree and from this position it is stopped at the box. One more thing which is left is the handle. So create a new part. Sketch on front plane. Draw an arc. Select both of these points and make relation horizontal. Now define them. 200 millimeters and define this distance from origin 40 millimeter. Again draw arc, but before arc draw a line like this, another line on this side. Now select both of these lines and make relation equal. Define them 5 millimeters. Now draw arc. Like this and define this distance 8 millimeters. Press OK button, and in the features tab select extruded base command and extrude it up to 20 millimeters. Press OK button. Now save it as handle. In the assembly, import it, insert component and search for handle. Select this face and mate. Now select this face of handle. Press OK button. Now select this face and then this face of door in the reverse direction. Now make some distance 30 millimeters. Press OK button. Now I forgot to reverse the direction for this distance, so press OK button and scroll down and drop down this mates option, and at the end select this distance, mate and edit feature. Now check this box flip dimension. Press OK button. Now click on this face of door and then this edge of handle. Make distance 400 millimeters. Press OK button. Again press OK button. Now our box is completely ready. Let's open it. Thanks for watching and sparing time for my video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more. You can also join me on my Facebook page. A link to my Facebook page is written in the description of this video.